Number 1. 1972 Buick LeSabre, $1,500, Berkeley, California. This 1972 Buick LeSabre presents as a cool project opportunity for restoration enthusiasts. Equipped with an 8-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, and automatic transmission, it has been sitting unused for 8 years. The car ran when purchased, but now has a dead battery and a stuck hood. Despite some small rust spots, the interior remains in very nice condition, reflecting the car's potential. With its clean title and classic American sedan styling, this LeSabre could become a rewarding restoration or a profitable resale once revived. Number 2. 1989 Cadillac DeVille 2-door Coupe, $3,500, Boise, Idaho. This 1989 Cadillac DeVille 2-door Coupe offers a smooth and comfortable drive characteristic of late 1980s Cadillacs. It features an 8-cylinder engine, front-wheel drive, and automatic transmission. The white paint shows minor wear, and there are a few tears on the door panels, but overall, it is in good condition. The DeVille's elegant lines, soft ride, and solid construction make it an appealing choice for anyone who appreciates vintage American luxury coupes at an affordable price. Number 3. 1977 Dodge Aspen, $3,800, Devore, California. This 1977 Dodge Aspen, powered by a 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, represents the era's dependable mid-size American cars. The vehicle includes air conditioning and has had only 2 owners, with the original pink slip still in hand. It is on non-operation status, meaning no back registration fees are due. The seller notes 88,000 original miles per the second owner, with the car running well and being well cared for. Its originality and clean title make it a solid starting point for a light restoration or daily classic. Number 4. 1978 Chevrolet Nova, $7,000, Marlin, Texas. This 1978 Chevrolet Nova has been modified for performance while retaining its clean classic look. Under the hood sits a 383 cubic inch stroker engine with Flotex 180 heads, Headman headers, Magnum roller cam, 600 CFM Holley carburetor, and Edelbrock intake. It runs and sounds excellent, although it lacks air conditioning. The blue exterior and clean title add to its appeal. For muscle car fans seeking a reliable and powerful driver without excessive restoration needs, this Nova is a great value at the asking price. Number 5. 1965 Ford Mustang, $7,000, Kyle, South Dakota. This 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe is a fine example of an early generation pony car. Featuring a 6-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission, it runs and drives very well, burns no oil, and delivers excellent fuel economy. With no visible rust, a new windshield, and a nice interior, it is suitable as a daily driver or a weekend cruiser. The car's clean title and classic design make it an affordable entry into Mustang ownership and an ideal platform for light restoration or preservation. Number 6. 1959 Volkswagen Dune Buggy, $7,000, Orangevale, California. This 1959 Volkswagen Dune Buggy is an eye-catching and fun classic, equipped with a 1974 Volkswagen 1600 engine. The car starts easily, drives well, and includes new registration valid through 2026. Its bright white finish and open-air convertible design embody 1960s and 1970s California beach culture. With a clean title and only 36,000 miles, this Dune Buggy is a great choice for collectors or those seeking a unique and enjoyable classic for weekend drives. Number 7. 1935 Hudson Terraplane, $10,000, Tacoma, Washington. This 1935 Hudson Terraplane has been fully restored and remains all original. While the motor currently has no compression and requires a complete rebuild, the car's condition overall is excellent. Known for its distinctive pre-war styling and advanced engineering, the Terraplane was one of Hudson's most innovative models. Despite the engine issue, this is a rare opportunity to own an authentic 1930s American automobile that reflects craftsmanship from the golden age of automotive design. Number 8. 1963 Ford Fairlane Sport Coupe, $11,500, Salem, Oregon. The 1963 Ford Fairlane Sport Coupe combines early muscle car character with custom upgrades. It features a 302 cubic inch V8 engine, 4-speed manual transmission, Mustang 2 front suspension, and front disc brakes. The car has a straight body, clean interior, and tubbed rear wheel wells for wider tires. Though still a project, it runs, drives, and stops. With a clean title and quality foundation, this Fairlane offers strong potential for a performance-oriented restoration or weekend street cruiser. Number 9. 1963 Chevrolet Bel Air 4-door manual, $14,500, El Paso, Texas. This 1963 Chevrolet Bel Air is a clean, well-maintained 4-door classic sedan with a manual transmission. Showing 63,000 miles, it runs and drives smoothly, with no mechanical issues or leaks. The seller reports many new parts and confirms that everything functions perfectly. With its timeless styling, reliable performance, and clean title, this Bel Air represents an attractive blend of vintage charm and everyday usability for fans of early 1960s Chevrolet models. Number 10. 1964 Chevrolet Impala 4-door hardtop sport, $13,500, Santan Valley, Arizona. This 1964 Chevrolet Impala 4-door hardtop combines classic style with substantial performance upgrades. It features a rebuilt 283 cubic inch V8 engine, producing 315 horsepower, paired with a 2-speed automatic transmission that needs a rebuild. The car has factory air conditioning, new Ciadella interior, full disc brake conversion, and an easy air ride suspension system. Front airbags not yet installed. With no rust, clean title, and complete records, it is a solid Arizona car requiring minimal finishing work to become a standout cruiser. Number 11. 1985 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz Coupe, $13,250, Danville, Indiana. This 1985 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz Coupe, finished in light yellow with a matching leather interior, represents the final year of this iconic model. Powered by its original 4.1-liter V8 and 4-speed automatic transmission, it has been garage-kept its entire life and driven only 52,985 miles. The body and chrome are in exceptional condition, showing no rust or dents. Some features, including the radio and antenna, need repair, but overall, this luxurious front-wheel drive coupe remains an elegant, collectible example of 1980s Cadillac craftsmanship, complete with a clean Indiana title and verified ownership history.